Question number 10. A local park pavilion has to provide shelter. The pavilion has a roof shape of a rectangular pyramid, so I know I've got 4 pieces over here. What's the total area of all 4 parts of the roof? Well, let's break this down into the different triangle pieces that we have. We've got this first triangle here. Let's write that out here. So that's triangle number 1. We'll call this triangle number 2. So triangle number 1, we have a base of 7.4 meters, and we have a height of 6.3 meters. And triangle number 2, we have a base of 12.2 meters, and we have a height of 3.8 meters. And it looks like we would have 2 of each. So the total area would be 2 times area of triangle 2, area of triangle 1, plus 2 times the area of triangle 2. So on the side here, I'm going to figure out the area of each so it's clean. So area of triangle 1 is going to be base times height divided by 2, which is going to be 7.4 times 6.3 divided by 2. Get out my 7.4 times 6.3. Let's see. 7.4 times 6.3. So 46.62. 46.62 divided by 2, which would end up being 23.31, and that's going to be meters squared. So that's going to be triangle number 1. Triangle number 2 is going to be base times height divided by 2. The base is 12.2 meters times the height is 3.8 meters, and divide that by 2. So 12.2 times 3.8, 12.2 times 3.8 equals 46.36 divided by 2, which is 2318. So our total area will be 2 times 23.31 plus 2 times 23.18. So 46.62 plus 46.36, and that will equal, if I can do that in my head, 92.98 meters squared. So that's the total area of all 4 parts of the roof. 92 meters and 0.98 meters squared. Now the next part, 1 sheet of plywood is this particular size. It costs this amount of money. What's the least number of sheets of plywood we need to cover this roof? The tricky part here is that this is in centimeters and our answer is in meters. So that's not going to work. We have to convert. So our plywood sheet is, I'll draw it out just so that we can envision it, 120 centimeters by 240 centimeters. We have to turn that into meters. So instead, 120 centimeters will be 1.2 meters when we divide by 100. And 240 will be 2.4 meters. So a 1.2 by 2.4 meter sheet of plywood will cost us $24.95. How many of those sheets are we going to need? Well, the question is going to be how much area, what's the area of that sheet? This is just the side lengths they've given us. So the area of 1 sheet of plywood is going to be length times width, which is 2.4 times 1.2. And 2.4 times 1.2 is equal to 2.88. So 2.88 meters squared. So 1 sheet of plywood gives us 2.88 meters squared of coverage. we need a total of 92.98 meters squared. So we need the total area, so number of sheets needed equals total area divided that's of the pyramid, divided by area of one sheet. So the total area is 92.98 meters divided by 2.88 meters squared. They're both meters squared. So 92.98 divided by 2.88, I think that was the amount, 32.28. So 32.28, which would mean approximately 33 sheets. That's going to be the least number of sheets. Probably we'd even need more. 32 sheets would not be enough. And what would the cost be? The cost would then be 33 sheets times the cost per sheet, which is $24.95. So 33 times $24.95, which would be $823.35. $823.35. And that is the answer to number 10. Again, as a quick review, we have a pyramid here with one triangle here, and then there's going to be a repeating one in the back, and then we have this other triangle here, and it is repeated in the back. So our total area was 2 times, let's see if I can get a different color here,